we have the distinct advantage of offering the widest variety of products for the energy market.
What we've done is really focused from the very beginning, from steel making, with advancements and upgrades to our steel shop at Indiana Harbor. And that starts with the cleanliness of the slabs, the quality of the slabs that we're shipping down to Calvert, and then the investments we've done at Calvert.
Some of the unique things about the Calvert facility is our capabilities to meet the metallurgical requirements and product characteristics for the API market. That includes ability to hit thicknesses at temperatures during the rolling process, the capability to control the temperature of the product at various stages in the rolling process. The equipment itself has unique capabilities to control the product dimensions, the temperatures, the gauge, the width, and that also helps us to achieve certain metallurgical requirements necessary for the API market.
We all know how critical it is that we have the safest materials going into the energy market. We have extensive resources in our research and development organizations to make sure that we have all of the safety requirements that the industry is going to need.
I think our customers believe, and as well as I do, that we have the best R&D group in the world. Well over 1,000 full-time researchers, 12 different locations around the world.
Our mission is really to provide steel solutions to the customer. What we are involved in is development of line pipe grades to transportation of oil and gas.
Whether it's based on temperature of where they're building this pipeline, whether it's based on the seismic activity in the area where they're building the pipeline, or whether the topography of the land where they're building the pipeline, all that goes into play. It's how we arrange our recipe to make do for the customer.
You know, we don't want a line pipe to fail in a highly densely populated area, or a tank car carrying some hazardous material to have a derailment and then discharge all its contents. So basically we need strong and tough steels. We have, for example, a very advanced welding setup that are quite unique, specifically focused on heavy gauge materials. In addition to that, we have some very, very unique acquisitions to our lab. We have the fatigue and fracture testing at very low temperatures. And then there is more and more emphasis on low temperature fracture toughness. So we have what is known as the drop weight tester. That is also a unique capability of this lab. Then the steels we develop, they are actually formed into certain shapes. To simulate those forming and the change of properties during forming, we also have the roll bending machine. And then to accurately measure strength of the pipe that's produced by our customers, we also have the ring expansion tester. I'm not aware of any other American research lab that has a ring expansion tester.
Because serving the energy market isn't new to ArcelorMittal, we've had a lot of experience in talking to our customers and talking to different industry associations. So we know not only what the energy market needs now, but what they're going to need in the future.
You're looking at the largest steel company in the world. We're not going anywhere. We are doing the right things to invest in our company, especially here in the U.S. If you look at how ArcelorMittal looks at energy as a whole, and the effort and the energy and the money that they put into it, it's definitely one of the main priorities that makes us different from some of our competitors.
Whether it's for the oil and gas market or renewable energies, ArcelorMittal has a solution for that market.